It's all in your bed, it's a fact, what to do with that?
What's up, guys? My name is Dakota. Welcome back to another Frostline Solutions YouTube video. In today's video, we're actually going to be going over one of our own products, one of the products that we have built for you guys as the community. It's a Minecraft plugin called FrostGui. As you can see here, when I open up the tab list, it says Frostcraft Development Server powered by FrostGui. It also has, and this is actually great, it has built-in compatibility with luck perms. So as you can see, I have my CEO tag with luck perms in there. It also, let's go over a couple other things. It also gives users the options to create holograms, and I believe, yeah, it does have a welcome message as well. So we're gonna go on and look over all this and everything. But yeah, so first, one of the main commands you're going to be using only when you're using FrostGui, one of the only commands you're going to be using is the hologram command. So you just holo create, and then you create the name. Let's name it test, and then let me think, test. We'll just make it test. Boom. Now we got a hologram named test right here. It does work with hex color codes. It works with just like any other hologram plugin. So we have that built in, along with welcome messaging built in, and tab list built in, making it a lot more user friendly. So let me delete this real quick, /hologram. And then it'll let you autofill to remove the hologram. I will say, I believe there is a bit of caching issues when it comes to the hologram or something. I would call it caching issues, but there's no cache when it comes to Minecraft plugins. But like when it comes, hold up. I forgot what the command is, but there's a custom mod down there that's causing me to lag a little bit. Anyway, so along with the holograms, which is basically the only thing you're gonna actually be using the in-game commands for when it comes to this plugin, one of the other things you can do, let me pull up the plugin config right now. Here it is, right here. Where's it? Right there. So it has a config.yml and a holograms.yml, where all of your holograms that you have created in your world are stored will be in holograms.yml. So if you ever have an issue with it being stuck behind after you've deleted it, just go into this file and delete it yourself. But also, if we go into config.yml, let's look over everything related to what there is. So first you have GUI settings, main menu title, FrostGui. That's what that's actually for if we had integrated like a GUI menu. But then there's the tab list settings. So for the header, the footer, it does have player format. It works with luck perms. It does not work with placeholder API though. Just the luck perms placeholders. Welcome message, you see it does. You can do a broadcast on join. First join message, it sends and broadcasts for first join. Chat welcome message, it just sends a direct message to the player every time they join. We can see we have it enabled for me and colorful true. It also does give you the option to I forgot that this was even a integrated command. When you go into the config, you see you can set up a Discord server to share. I'll show how this works too. Here, let me pull up the Discord login. Add. So what I'm gonna do now is just update the link, get rid of that, and then boom. Let's save it. It automatically saves because I'm using windsurf, and /reload. Watch. Boom. Now if we go /discord, FrostGui does give you the option to share your Discord. It kind of integrates Discord plugins with it. I know that finding a plugin that shares a Discord server is kind of hard nowadays. I don't know, back when I used to do actual server development, it was kind of hard to find a plugin for that. This is just our development server. As you can see, I kind of just took over village and built onto it. A lot of copying and pasting. That over there is a house that I'm building. Then we got our bridge. But yeah, so ultimately what we have here is just some pretty simple GUI stuff for entry level experience, kind of creating just a nice entry level experience. This plugin is available on Spigot MC. It'll be in the description below. Along with it is also available in our products tab in our website. So if you are interested in downloading it and adding it to your server, all you have to do is download the jar, put it into your plugin folder, put it in your plugin folder on your .minecraft server, whether it's hosted locally or through a hoster like Wither Hosting or Aethernos or one of the others. This is locally hosted because it's development, once I said again. In the next stream video going over our plugins, we will be discussing our Guild Wars plugin and a couple more of our other plugins. This is the start to one of our going to be biggest lines of products is going to be building plugins and showcasing them and developing them. If you use the plugins, don't be afraid to share feedback. Join the Discord server. Put down in the comments what you'd like to see from each plugin. I love adding things to the plugins. On the Guild Wars, I just updated it last night. Thank you all for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
When you get with me, get to fantasizing and shit. When you get with me, get to bouncing, drop